For many of us, when we became nurses, our dream was to care for our patients and make a good living for ourselves. That was the dream. But if you've been a nurse for a long time, you probably feel tired and burnt out from all the demands and stress that come with this job. If you work in long-term care facilities like me, you know how it feels to be on your feet all day, passing meds and doing treatments. It's exhausting. Not to mention last-minute admissions and excessive documentation, which means you never get off on time. We try to do our best to care for patients, although we're often forced to manage heavy assignments due to short staffing. For many of us, we sacrifice our family and fun time working double shifts, nights, and weekends to make an extra coin. Plus, dealing with patient and family demands and expectations, you feel like you have to please so many people. But who's pleasing you? Although you became a nurse to help others, you secretly wish you knew a better way to get money. For the most part, when we need more money, we simply work more shifts to get it. Many of us were taught to get money by working more. But for how many years do you plan to spend almost every weekend working double shifts? There may be a feeling inside you that you are ready to be, do, and have more. Hey friend, my name is Stacey Bogle. I am a nurse and manifestation coach, and I work with fellow nurses to learn new skills and the mindset you'll need to retire from bedside nursing. If any of this sounds like how you feel in your nursing career, just know you're not alone. Now, you may enjoy certain aspects of being a nurse, but you still feel unfulfilled with other areas of your life and career. More than likely, money is one area you'd love to make better. You may also want more free time to enjoy family, friends, and me time. The book Cash Flow Quadrant talks about how most of us make money working a job, which is the hardest way to get paid. Robert Kiyosaki says, in order to create wealth, freedom, and true financial security in your life, you must move from the left to the right side of the quadrant. You earn profits on the right side of the quadrant with a business and investing. With the B quadrant, Robert defines a true business as one that can operate independently. Leverage positions businesses to operate independently because business owners now have an opportunity to multiply their efforts and grow exponentially. On the I side of the quadrant, people invest their money to earn passive income. Learning how to invest allows you to get money from home, retire early, and enjoy freedom. This is the life many of us only dreamed we could live. I'm excited now to share this with you because the right opportunity is here for us to accomplish big things and create a life we love living. We can be, do, and have more money, time, and realize our potential by becoming nurse to entrepreneurs. As a nurse to entrepreneur, you'll discover new skills and the mindset you'll need to attract more money and growth in your business and investing. You'll be partner in a community of successful, growth-minded people who want to see you win. You'll be surrounded with people just like you, wanting to make big things happen. Imagine all you can accomplish in the next 18 months, developing new skills and mindset to attract what you want. How would it feel to learn to eliminate negative thoughts and feelings holding you back from pursuing your dreams? Action steps to help you apply and understand the concepts. Coaching on the 5-step manifestation process to manifest a life you'll love living. We'll discuss the details and how you can become a founding partner of the Nurse to Entrepreneur Network. Join us on our next complimentary strategy session call. Even if you've worked as a nurse your entire career and you're nervous because you've never done a business before, people like you become entrepreneurs every day. Maybe you think you can't afford it. Well, I thought like that before too. Until I realized the cost of not investing in myself and relying on only one source of income from a nursing job would keep me stuck working nights, weekends, and doubles till I'm 75 years old. You may feel like you do not have enough time because you already work long hours. But the good thing is leverage, which can grow your business quickly as your efforts begin to multiply. I'm excited for you as you discover your opportunity to make big things happen for yourself, your family, and beyond. See you on the call.